Yeah, I'll be teaching you how to sew an alternate top. An alternate top is very simple to sew, very very easy. Basically, I'll be drafting how to sew a top for you, so that you will understand that it is simple to sew. I'll be using a marker because if I use chalk, you won't see what I'm doing. So this is a bodycon material. It's stretchy. That's why I'll be using it for the breadth. So yeah, I measured two because it's another neck, and to be having collars, I measured 2 by 3 for the length of the for the width of the neck. So I measured my shoulder. You don't need your shoulder, but I want to show you that it is easy to sew. Then I connected it to my arm, or I used it for my arm. Oh, yeah, and I connected it. So I'll be joining it to my waist and to my length now. So I measure the length. I'll be using 18 for the length. I used 19 for the length. Depending, you can make your own 20, but mine is a body con. Can wear it with an high waist skirt or anything you want to wear it on. And I connected my belt to my waist. Remember, this is a body con, so I did not use my normal this thing because I know it will be so stretchy. So what I'll be doing next is to show you how we connect. This is where the alternate comes from. That neck side, the width of the neck, I'll be joining it to my arm, or I'll be connecting it to my arm, or you can decide to use your pattern master to get this part. So this is where the alternate comes. So this part I'll be cutting it off. You can see how simple it is to sew an alternate. So easy to make. What you cut at the front, that's the same thing you're going to cut at the back. Then you're going to cut your collar. Simple, simple as ABC. It's so simple. Let me know in this comment section what you think about this alternate. You'll be trying it, or let me know if you don't understand, so I can do another video again. Let me know what you think. After cutting it, then I'm going to go ahead to cut the back parts. The same thing I cut for the front part. That's what I'm going to be cutting. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and can you like this video. Moving on, we'll be cutting our neckline. So what I'll be doing here is to measure our neck. So yeah, I'll be going down by 2 inches. I want the neck to have that curve look. So this is what you do if you are sewing any turtleneck or neck that you have to like curve, like you have to curve it. So I gave it this curve look. So I went down by 2 inches, then I curved it. I guess it's even 1 inch, but there are some that you go down by 2 inch. So I'll be cutting 4 pieces of this. Remember that this is a body corn, so we don't leave sewing allowance for zip or anything. But if your fabric is not stretchy, you'll be leaving sewing allowance for zip. Yeah, what I'll be doing is to cut a facing. So I'll be cutting an interfacing to the alternate. You can decide to make it the exact length depending on what you want. But yeah, I'll be making the facing just something simply short. Make yours longer than this, depending. But I'll be making my own just this short. So yeah, I'll be using it to turn it. After cutting my interfacing, I'll cut for for the both front and backs. Since it's the same thing, so there's nothing different. Then I'll go out, I hit my machine and sew.